This question is an important question. It is told in the problem the set S has all the elements in the form of a real numbers belonging to real numbers, and that real numbers are greater than or equal to 0, which means value can be 0 or it can be greater than 0. As you can clearly see here, negative real numbers under the square root will contribute to a complex number. It will not give you a real number, right? That's the reason why this particular clause is given here. Now see here, there is a modulus function, right? Can you tell me what is the definition of mod x? Mod x is nothing but x when x is greater than or equal to 0 and minus x when x is less than 0. This is the nature of modulus function, correct or not? So here I can write three cases. I can write two cases here. So mod of root x minus 3, mod of root x minus 3 can be written as mod of root x minus 3 can be written as root x minus 3 when x is greater than or equal to 9. What do you say? Why? Because 9 minus root 9 is 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. That is neither positive nor negative. And 3 minus root x when x is less than 9. Correct or not? 3 minus root x. Correct, when x is less than 9. It can be equal to 9 also. Nothing wrong. Because answer will be a positive number. 3 minus 0. That is also possible. Correct or not? In this case, what will be the answer? 0 minus 3. Right? I mean 3 minus 3, 0. Here also answer will be 3 minus 3, correct, 0. So equal to 9 can be holding true in both the nature of the function. So I'll take the first case. When x belongs to, I'll take the first case. What is this? Greater than or equal to 9 means when x belongs to the closed interval 9 to infinity, correct or not? 9 to infinity. So I can say 2 times root x minus 3 plus root x into root x minus 6 plus 6, that is equal to 0. This is the first case. So I can say 2 root x minus 6 plus x minus 6 root x plus 6, that is equal to 0. You can clearly see here 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So x minus 4 root x, that is equal to 0, correct? X minus 4 root x is equal to 0. So root x, if I take out common, I'll be left with root x minus 4 is equal to 0. So either root x is equal to 0 or root x minus 4 is equal to 0. So root x is equal to 4. So your value for x is equal to 16. Here value for x is equal to 0. See, both are valid, right? Why x is greater than or equal to 0, both are valid here in the first case. So in the second case, which means it can have minimum how many elements? Now just by looking at this, we can have 2 elements obviously. So when x belongs to a value from minus infinity, but minus infinity is not possible here. Value should be where to where? 0 to 9, correct or not? Value should be 0 to 9 because x cannot take negative values. So what will happen? 2 times that we are talking of this case now. 3 minus root x plus root x into root x minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. So 6 minus 2 root x plus x minus 6 root x plus 6, that is equal to 0. So what is your answer that we get? X minus 8 root x plus 12, that is equal to 0. Are you getting it? Which can be written as x can be written as this root x square minus 8 root x plus 12, that is equal to 0, correct or not? So take the sum and the product. We have discussed about this. So minus 8 and plus 12, which is nothing but minus 6 and plus 2, right? Minus 6 and plus 2. Minus 6 and plus 2. So what will be your answer for root x is equal to? Root x value will be equal to, so your value for x will be equal to either 6 or it will be minus 2. So x value will be equal to 6 square or minus 2 the whole square. So x will be equal to 36,4, correct or not? Root x is minus 2. X is not minus 2. So can you tell me what is this answer that we are getting? 36 and 4. See, in both the cases, we are getting how many solutions? 2 solutions or 2 values or 2 elements. So if you consider the case 1, then case 2 will not be valid. If you consider the case 2, then case 1 will not be valid. So basically the set S will have how many elements now? 2 elements is the answer to the question.